There are places on Earth that look impossible, but they are real. Places where the ground turns into a mirror, fire burns inside the Earth for decades, and gravity seems to stop working. Here are 5 places on Earth that break the laws of nature. First, in Bolivia, there is Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat in the world. At first, it looks like an endless white desert stretching across the land. But after rain falls, everything changes. A thin layer of water covers the ground, and the entire surface becomes a perfect mirror. The sky reflects so clearly that the horizon disappears completely. It feels like walking in the sky, with no clear separation between above and below. Next, in Turkmenistan, deep in the desert, there is a massive burning crater known as the Door to Hell. It was created in 1971 when Soviet scientists were drilling for natural gas. The ground collapsed, forming a huge hole filled with gas. To stop the spread, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out quickly. But it never stopped. More than 50 years later, it is still burning non-stop, lighting up the desert like an open wound in the earth. Then in India, there is Magnetic Hill. On this road, cars placed in neutral appear to roll uphill on their own. Visitors test it again, and every time, it seems like gravity has reversed. Scientists explain it as an optical illusion caused by the surrounding landscape, where the slope tricks the eye into seeing uphill when it is actually downhill. But even knowing the truth, your brain still struggles to accept what you see. After that, in Western Australia, there is Lake Hillier. From above, it looks like a bright pink stain on the earth. The lake stays pink all year round, no matter the weather. Scientists believe the color comes from microorganisms and salt levels in the water, but it still looks completely unnatural. Even when the water is taken out, the pink color remains. Finally, in South America, at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, stands Mount Roraima. It rises above the clouds with steep cliffs on all sides and a perfectly flat top. Because it has been isolated for millions of years, many of the plants and animals found there exist nowhere else on Earth. Early explorers called it a lost world, completely separate from everything below. These places remind us that Earth is still full of mysteries we don't fully understand. Subscribe for more real stories like this.